In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Gaussian Channel indicator in Tradingview Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the indicator added to your chart and know exactly where to find its main settings, so you can start customizing it to your trading style. First, make sure you're logged in to your Tradingview account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same for all of them. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the middle or upper left area of the toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for anything you want to add to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where we're going next. Click directly into the search bar so your cursor is active there. If you already have other indicators added, don't worry. Using the search bar won't remove them. It just filters the list to help you find what you need more quickly. Now, in the search bar, start typing Gaussian Channel. As you type, Tradingview will automatically narrow down the list of results. You should see the Gaussian Channel indicator appear in the drop-down list below the search bar. Once you see it, click on it once. Immediately, the Gaussian channel will be added to your active chart. You'll notice new bands or channels overlaying your price action. That's the indicator working in real time. With the Gaussian channel now on your chart, the next step is to access its settings so you can fine-tune how it looks and behaves. On your chart, hover your mouse over the name of the indicator, usually shown at the top left of the chart area or over the lines themselves. You'll see a small gear icon appear which represents the settings. Click on that gear icon to open the settings panel. Here you can adjust things like length, smoothing, colors, and line thickness. Take a moment to explore these options so the channel stands out clearly against your candles and fits your personal preferences. Finally, if you don't already have Tradingview Pro and you want to unlock more features, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you'll be able to get the most out of tools like the Gaussian Channel indicator and really streamline your charting workflow.